I'm Pete Talbot. Some of you may know me as an entrepreneur, but in the previous moments I have come to you with a message that won't sell on Wall Street, yet a message that has more value and import than Fort Knox, Silicon Valley, and the Big Apple combined. The bottom line is, we must restore the biblical uniview in our churches, our schools, and our homes, and this means we must jettison the sacred secular divide. A growing number of Christian parents and pastors are starting to understand that we can't have our children educated in a system that ignores God and expect them to think like Christ followers. Turning our children over to the state and the religion of secular humanism for 6 to 7 hours a day, 5 days a week for 13 years, has never been a legitimate option, and trying to revive the dead duck of state education is impossible for reasons I have just explained. So now it's time for my call to action. Pastors, some of the families who are part of your flock may have difficulties decoupling from the state school system because of financial challenges. I encourage you and your board to seek the Lord for practical solutions. If it's really that important for each member of your flock to cut ties with the public system, I have no doubt He will show you how to make this possible for every one of your families. It might mean setting up a fund within your church to which more affluent members may contribute. For some churches, the call to action might mean making your facility available for a homeschool co-op to meet, or more than one. For others, it may mean starting a school, or working together with other concerned parties to establish a community-wide, interdenominational school in your area. There are many possible solutions: online schools, neighborhood learning pods, and micro schools. There is an excellent organization that can help you sort through all the possibilities. It's called Renew a Nation. This organization specializes in helping find the best possible solution for every situation. They also provide help for even well-established Christian schools to make their programs better.